YouTube Music has been promoted to me by YouTube for a very long time now. Ads were shown to me on their banner on my then free YouTube account. Disgusted by the amount of ads on my YouTube through my phone that I cannot fend off with some ad blocker, I set out to check if I can try out their YouTube Premium subscription. 1 month free trial with YouTube Music included. As a long-term Spotify user, I tried YouTube Music for a week, and boy, I learned a lot of differences between the two. Even without a premium subscription, you can still play songs on YouTube Music. But much like Spotify, it will come with ads in between tracks. YouTube Music comes bundled with your YouTube Premium subscription, so that means no more ads when you watch videos, and you can access some exclusive content produced by YouTube. I personally don't watch these exclusive content. First difference between Spotify and YouTube Music is that YouTube Music has a vast library of material. What I mean is, because YouTube has been around for a very long time, it has an enormous collection of music videos and audio materials that are carried over to YouTube Music. So if you liked a song from YouTube before, you bet right that they will recommend it to you as part of your YouTube Music playlist. Does this make YouTube Music better than Spotify? Certainly not. There were no podcasts or higher audio quality to speak of. And I'm a big consumer of podcasts on Spotify, and going to YouTube Music's abysmal library, I'd rather stick with Spotify on this one. Second difference between Spotify and YouTube Music is the smart recommendations that YouTube Music gives you. Remember I mentioned that YouTube Music will show some music that you like from YouTube before? Yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about here. You get a tailored playlist and library based on your YouTube history and artist preference that you picked when you first set up the app for the first time. Does this make YouTube Music better than Spotify? Again, no. Spotify is a very good recommendation system that tends to give me the content that I will most likely like. It's the same with YouTube Music. I'm sure as you use the service more, it will learn your music taste and recommend some new content that is closely related to your music taste. Oh, but I love how YouTube Music immediately downloads some offline songs and playlists for me to listen to. It got me through an impromptu road trip by giving me new songs that I actually liked. Lastly, Spotify and YouTube Music differ on the value that they provide you. You might say that YouTube Music has more value because its cost is actually included in another offer. For a single user account, the pricing for their subscription service is roughly the same. However, what I like about YouTube Music is that you can simultaneously play on multiple devices. If you're on Spotify, you'll know that Spotify Connect will only let you choose one device to listen through. I like this feature because you can remotely change the song played on your PC through your smartphone. YouTube Music just lets you play a song on your PC and another song on your smartphone simultaneously. So when it comes to value, I say Spotify and YouTube Music are equal. In conclusion, do I recommend YouTube Music over Spotify? No. But if you're a regular user of YouTube that hates seeing a 2-minute ad before you can watch a 2-minute cat video, then a bundled music service that is capable of giving you new music that you might like is not a bad idea at all. If you like this video, guys, click like and subscribe, and follow Sydney CBD on Facebook and Instagram. And we're a repair center here in Sydney, Australia. We fix iPhones and Android smartphones. We also do ROG phones, smartwatches, and tablets. So if you have a device that in need of a battery replacement or screen replacement, head over to our shop, or you can message us on Facebook for a free quote. Thank you for joining, guys. Till next time, cheers.